Hi, I'm Lionel, this is techloto, and this is my review video for the Polar Firmware Update 5.0. So you might be tempted to just start updating straight away, but a really smart thing to do is to connect your Polar Vantage V, Vantage M or Polar Ignite to the charger, just so you make sure you don't have any errors, and if it's below a certain percentage it's going to cancel the update anyway. But connect it to a charger and make sure your phone is charged as well. If it isn't, connect it to a charger as well, just to avoid any issues. Keep them together throughout the process and just let them update. So now it's been updated. Unfortunately, the watch doesn't prompt any walkthroughs, but you don't have to figure this out as you go. I'll take you through it. The first thing we're going to look at is FitSpark. So this is broken up into 3 categories: strength, cardio, and mobility. I really appreciate this because when it comes to training, we're always searching, should I do strength training or should I do more cardio? One thing that we often miss out is mobility. You have to make sure you're not stiff, that you're still flexible. These mobility exercises are nothing to laugh at. They might look easy and straightforward, but once you click into it, or even the strength exercises, it'll show you the exercises that you're meant to do, it'll tell you how to do them, and you can even see little animations of what it's supposed to look like. And the great thing about FitSpark is that it offers you training options based on your training history, your fitness level. So it's taking all the data that the Polar Vantage V M or Ignite is tracking, and it's putting that together to give you recommendations. Because I focus mostly on strength training, it's always telling me to do more cardio and mobility based work. And because it knows my fitness history, it's actually recommending a run that's longer than I would have ever expected. It's already had a positive impact because I'm going to try and go for an hour run tomorrow just to see what this is like. So definitely check that out. Try the recommended exercises, but obviously listen to your body as well. This is only recommending based on the days that you want to exercise. Don't overdo it. The next great feature that I don't want anyone to overlook is race pace. So if you're someone like me that's obsessed with their mile time or 5k time, you can literally set the pace that you want. So in this example, I'm going for a 1 mile run. I put in that I want to do that in 7 minutes. And once I click on go, the watch will tell me whether I'm keeping up with my pace. If I start to drop below my pace, it will let me know as well. So it's a really good motivator, and it's a way for you to actually achieve your goals. With features like this, Polar is really setting itself apart from the rest. Now let's move on to Strava Segments. This is something I was really excited about, to be able to see the Strava Segments on my watch. Unfortunately, there's no automatic connection, so you have to buy a certain pack with Strava to have access to this, because Strava is really trying to monetize their business now. So any little piece of data that you can get, they're trying to monetize it. So if you're willing to buy that pack, then you can see live segments on your watch. If you guys really want me to cover that, let me know. I'm happy to make that purchase and go for it, but I don't want to do a video if no one's really interested in the live segments. Polar's firmware update 5.0, I'm really liking it so far. I'm glad that Polar continues to invest in the Vantage V and continues to develop it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, remember to like and subscribe to techloto. Visit the Teespring page to buy some merch, and don't forget to visit the website.